Loads of individuals utilize the turmeric herb in their cooking. The primary indications of turmeric are its pepper-like notice, sharp taste, and brilliant shading. Turmeric is known to quit swelling, eliminate microscopic organisms and infections, and additionally numerous different things. It is additionally loaded with supplements, similar to protein, dietary fiber, niacin, vitamin C, E, and K, calcium, potassium, copper, iron, magnesium, and zinc. Along these lines, turmeric is an incredible thing to use to cure medical issues. Here are the main 10 things turmeric can be utilized for. Anticipates cancer. Turmeric can peace prostate disease and even murder malignancy cells. It can likewise prevent tumor cells from developing, so it can watch the body from getting disease in any case. Eases arthritis. Since turmeric cuts down swelling, it's incredible to use for osteoarthritis and rheumatoid joint inflammation. It additionally eliminates germs that mischief body cells. Individuals with rheumatoid joint inflammation who eat turmeric all the time have become much rest from agony and joint swelling. Controls diabetes. Turmeric can help cure diabetes by keeping insulin at ordinary levels. It additionally assists with sugar control, and makes the pharmaceutical utilized for diabetes work. Be that as it may, if utilized with solid pharmaceuticals, turmeric can cause low glucose, so make a point to ask your specialist before you take turmeric cases. Diminishes cholesterol levels. Utilizing turmeric as a zest can cut down cholesterol levels. Since elevated cholesterol can cause other medical issues, it is vital to remain over it to stop coronary illness. Resistance booster. Turmeric helps keep the body's resistant framework going. It likewise reinforces the safe framework, since it eliminates microorganisms, infections, and growths. This prevents you from getting colds, hacks, and seasonal influenza. To enable you to rest easy in the event that you do become ill, blend 1 teaspoon of turmeric in a glass of warm drain and drink it once per day. Men's wounds. Since turmeric normally eliminates germs and microscopic organisms, it can be utilized to clean injuries. In the event that you have a cut or consume, sprinkle some turmeric powder on it to enable it to mend snappier. It can likewise help treat psoriasis, irritated, dead skin, and other skin conditions. Weight management. Turmeric powder can help keep the body at a legitimate weight by helping separate fat. Somebody who needs to shed pounds or treat heftiness and ailments that accompany it can have 1 teaspoon of turmeric with each supper. Keeps Alzheimer's disease. Swelling of the cerebrum is one of the principal purposes behind intellectual issue, similar to Alzheimer's malady. Turmeric can keep the cerebrum sound by helping oxygen stream. This can likewise back off or absolutely stop Alzheimer's sickness. Enhances digestion. Turmeric can help with absorption by diminishing swelling and gas. It can likewise help treat incendiary gut ailment. In any case, be cautious, in light of the fact that in the event that you experience the ill effects of a gallbladder malady, you ought not take turmeric, as that can aggravate it. Additionally, on the off chance that you have a stomach-related issue, it is best to eat crude turmeric, and not containers. Anticipates liver disease. Turmeric is a characteristic method to compel harms from the liver. The liver removes harm from the blood, and turmeric helps make the proteins that keep it working. It additionally reinforces and better bloodstream. The greater part of this keeps the liver sound. Due to all the ways turmeric can help your well-being, adding this herb to your eating routine is an awesome thought.